3rd, 1929, Dow Jones average closed at 381.17, and people were very happy, and buying stocks on margin had worked wonderfully. And the roaring 20s had a good feeling to it, with the auto coming of age and the day of air travel coming along and all kinds of new appliances and the telephone getting wider use. Believe it or not, it hadn't really bought on that much prior thereto, but the movies were coming on. It was a happy place. And then, of course, if we'll move to the next slide, we'll look at what happened in the couple of months after September 3rd. And the Dow Jones average almost got cut in half. And that was pretty impressive until we had this recent situation where in a shorter period of time, we lost about a third. But the
plethora of doomsday predictions on YouTube often blurs the line between genuine concerns and clickbait. As we confront the uncertainties of the economic landscape in 2024, it becomes imperative to discern the real threats from sensationalized narratives. The current economic landscape. A glance at YouTube's financial disaster predictions. Clickbait tactics with flashy thumbnails and titles can often overshadow genuine financial analysis, making it challenging to separate fact from fiction. The illusion of economic stability in 2024. Scrutinizing the apparent economic stability by delving into current indicators and understanding the potential pitfalls. The collective amnesia since 2009. Forgetting the hardships post-2008 and the lasting effects of the 2008 crash that might be clouding our perception of economic challenges. The swift recovery of the S&P 500. Analyzing the unprecedented recovery post-2008 and how it may have contributed to a misleading sense of economic invincibility. Recessions and depressions, more frequent than we remember. The fading memories of the 2008 turmoil. Exploring how the impact of the 2008 financial crisis is gradually fading from public memory, leading to a dangerous historical amnesia. The misconception of economic pain. Shifting perceptions of economic hardship and the danger of oversimplifying the intricate nature of economic cycles. The need for a deeper understanding. Acknowledging the complexity of economic cycles and the potential dangers of oversimplifying economic challenges. Unprecedented instances of pain post-2008. Examining historical instances post-2008 to understand that recessions and depressions are more frequent than recent history suggests. Lessons from the Great Depression. Warren Buffett's reflections on economic history. Insights from Warren Buffett on economic downturns and the relevance of historical perspective in understanding the current economic landscape. Black Thursday and Black Tuesday. Diving into the catastrophic events that led to the Great Depression and the shockwaves that followed. The unexpected positive shift. Exploring the surprising positive sentiment during economic turmoil and the resilience of the American spirit. The remarkable recovery. Analyzing the unexpected bounce back amid the Depression and the factors that contributed to this recovery. The significance of September 10, 1930. Examining a pivotal moment in the trajectory of the Great Depression and the subsequent events that unfolded. The unfolding crisis. The Dow Jones average reaching a low point. Understanding the severity of the market decline during the Depression and the economic hardships faced during that time. The staggering decline in the market. Exploring the extent of the Dow Jones decline and the impact on investors and financial institutions. The 25-year recovery period. Reflecting on the prolonged period it took for the Dow Jones to recover and the challenges faced by investors during that recovery. Economic hardships during the Great Depression. Examining the societal impact, unemployment, and poverty during the Great Depression and how it shaped the nation. The lasting impact on individuals, families, and the nation. Discussing the societal scars and economic lessons learned from the Great Depression. Parallel to today, the fear of a second Great Depression. The potential dangers of a future super crash. Analyzing current economic vulnerabilities and the possibility of a severe economic downturn that could rival the Great Depression. The shift in the American perspective. Exploring the changing view on economic stability and the dangers of complacency in the face of potential economic challenges. Warren Buffett's warning on parallels with 1929. Understanding Buffett's cautionary statements on the current economic situation and his parallels with the events of 1929. The prevailing belief in the impossibility. Examining the skepticism surrounding the possibility of another Great Depression and the need for a realistic assessment of economic risks. The dangers of underestimating economic vulnerabilities. Discussing the potential consequences of overlooking economic threats and the importance of preparing for unforeseen economic challenges. Buffett's message of hope and resilience. Enduring, persevering, and prospering. Emphasizing the central theme of Buffett's message and the historical resilience of the American economy. The unpredictable nature of economic recoveries. Understanding the uncertainties in economic rebound and navigating testing periods with optimism. The importance of believing in the American miracle. Emphasizing Buffett's belief in America's potential and the role of positive sentiment in economic recovery. A historical perspective on economic testing periods. Examining historical instances of economic testing and learning from past recoveries and downturns. The resilience of the American economy through generations. Reflecting on the enduring strength of the U.S. economy across generations and the historical context of overcoming challenges. Betting on America's future. Reflecting on historical downturns and recoveries. Highlighting the cyclical nature of economic challenges and the importance of learning from history. The skepticism surrounding market highs and future uncertainties. Addressing skepticism and caution in economic optimism, emphasizing the role of prudence in navigating uncertain times. The Dow Jones today, a testament to America's resilience. Observing the current state of the Dow Jones Industrial Average and drawing inspiration from historical recoveries. Acknowledging the unknowns in the world of finance. Highlighting the unpredictable nature of economic forecasting and the importance of staying vigilant in uncertain times. Warren Buffett's timeless advice, never bet against America. Summarizing Buffett's key message and encouraging faith in the enduring strength of the U.S. economy.